Hey guys, how you doing? We're in the kitchen with Courtney. But today is not a kitchen video.
No.
What do we got?
It's Truck Tuesday,
Okay,
but it's Courtney style.
there we go.
So we have something to unbox for you and install. Let's get to it.
Let's see what that box looks like.
Can anybody guess what it is?
All right.
Alright then.
I guess you missed. You opened up the steady one. It was the other one that was supposed to open up.
Thanks. Wasn't complicated at all.
Right. Let's see what it is.
Is that close enough for you?
So what are they?
They are Subaru valve stem caps.
Now are they just? They're just the Subaru ones, right?
Yeah.
They're not like a WRX or STI, so
No.
they're just basic ones.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice how they came. And these are actually Subarus too, right?
Yeah, this came from Subaru. There you go. See if we can catch the light, kid.
All right, so I guess we're gonna go out and put these bad boys on, right?
Let's go do it.
All right, let's go make it happen, Captain. Yeah, I'm gonna have to work a lot of overtime. Well, we're back outside. It's a little bit of a gloomy day, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at what we got. Do we need any tools for this install?
Yes.
What?
4 fingers and a thumb. And a palm. Oh.
And
Dye all over it. Here we go.
that one has dye all over it too.
Dang it.
All right, let's get down here and see what we're doing.
Alright. So you start with said original valve stem cover. Lefty loosey. Twist that bad boy off. And replace with new said valve stem cover. There it is.
All right, let's see what we got there. I don't know, looks pretty good. Let's go do the other ones now. Let's go to the front. Oh, this one's going to be better. It'll be right in line. There we go. Let's get close in there. All good and deep like.
So let me ask you this. These are shorter than the original valve stem covers. Is that
Okay.
going to present any type of problem?
It will not.
Okay, good to know. Next one.
She's running away from me, guys. Let's go get her.
Oh no!
What? Did you start without us?
Free balling.
All right,
I got you, man. You're covered now.
you see? You have that there, and look at that. It actually lines up with the rim. All right, so got one more? Let's go. Hey, this ain't a race. Get back here.
I'm just so excited. There it is.
All right, there you go. That's what they look like installed. I do kind of like them. I like that little chrome accent. So, what do you think?
I got a head rush. Sorry, no joke. Woo!
Okay,
Yeah, so excited.
Courtney's so excited, she got lightheaded.
Yes.
All right, so what do you think? You think that's going to make a huge difference?
Huge difference? Yeah, extra traction.
Well, I mean, the good thing is now you have all 4.
Yeah, truly that's really what I was going for, is I was missing one.
Yeah, she needed to get another one, so we just said, you know what? let's order all new ones. We'll get one that's going to work for her. And she liked these, so we got them. Sounds about right.
And they weren't that expensive.
No, they're not bad.
I think they were like $10 or something like that.
And they're also OEM, so that's a good thing too. So it won't void warranties.
What warranty?
Yeah.
Right.
All right. So you want to take us out?
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed my little modification. I know it's Truck Tuesday, but it's my version, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and keep driving.
All right. See you guys. Have a nice one.